Once upon a time when I had that was ugly, came from my who, ayo, ayo. What's up everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nontando Khanye and I post weekly videos on how you can style your natural hair. So if you like what you see, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and help me reach my 1000 subscriber goal. So if you're a returning subscriber, hi and welcome back. And on this video we'll be doing a full-on Sapphire Afro twist on my head, but I did promise on the previous video that I'm going to show you how I take this hair off. And what I literally do is just undo the band that I did on the previous hairstyle and then start pulling my hair slowly, and that was just it. So if you're interested in checking that video out, I'm gonna have a link here somewhere at the top and then you can check it out once you're done with this one. And once I was done with taking the hair off, I went ahead to wash my hair, and after washing my hair I just parted the front section. It doesn't have to be straight, it doesn't have to be neat, it won't really be showing, but this is the little hair that we're going to be using to match or to blend in your natural hair with the Sapphire Afro hair. So I'm not really showing the package of this hair because I'm reusing it. I'm showing it on the previous video, but the brand of this hair is Sapphire and it is called Afro Twist color number 1. So I'm doing the same thing with on this video. I am tying 2 bands at the back of my head and then I'm gonna crochet. So with crocheting, I'm crocheting around the band and not on the band, since it is much easier to take off when I do it that way. So I'm going to be doing the same thing that I'm doing on the left, I'm going to be doing it on the right hand side. So I used 1 packet. I did not think it was going to be enough, but it kind of worked out at the end. I would have used a few more bundles because I did run out, so maybe just have 2 packets for you to be sure, but I used 1 for this hairstyle and I'm just going to leave you guys to watch.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
so now I'm just undoing my natural hair, combing it out. I'm gonna be using the Cantu Leave-In conditioner, and then I'm gonna try and blend it with the Sapphire hair. However, I was still not done with crocheting my hair here, so I just wanted to see if what I'm doing is working, so I did this quite earlier before finishing crocheting my hair. So now I was just filling in the spots where I felt like my natural hair showed. So I was just filling in the spot to hide that.
It sound right, boy.
So I went ahead to lay my edges. I'm using the Got2b glue, and I had the head wrap on for a good 30 minutes, went and did my makeup, and I was done with this look. Please don't mind the dogs outside. So if you like this video, please let me know what you think on the comment section below, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Trust the process.
Whoa, 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 whoa.